Tourists say
tốt lắm.
locals say something completely different. Gen Z in Saigon use this word constantly. It means top tier, amazing, but saying it is what marks you as local. Say
Đỉnh,
again.
đỉnh,
Now use it in a sentence.
cái này đỉnh thật,
This is genuinely amazing. Tourists say
tốt lắm,
when you say
đỉnh,
people know you actually learned the language. Use it in a sentence. Start with
cái này đỉnh,
and finish it.
Most people learning Vietnamese just say
tốt,
forever. Here's the word locals actually use when something blows their mind. 3 real sentences. Say them out loud with me. 1.
món này đỉnh quá, tôi chưa bao giờ ăn gì ngon như vậy.
2.
Cái này thật sự đỉnh luôn, tôi rất ấn tượng.
Can you hear how much more natural that sounds? 3.
Hôm nay vui quá, mọi thứ đều đỉnh hết.
I said sentence 2 to a street food vendor in
Hội An,
She laughed and gave me extra toppings.
đỉnh,
Works. Drop a 1 in the comments if you got all 3. Save this. You'll want it on day 1 in Vietnam.
Most tourists lose money at the airport. Here's the phrase that changes that. This is how you ask to exchange money. And knowing it before you land is the difference between a good rate and a bad one.
đổi tiền,
Say this before you hand over cash. Say
đổi tiền,
full sentence.
tôi muốn đổi tiền,
I want to exchange money. Walk up, say,
tôi muốn đổi tiền,
and watch how differently they treat you compared to every other tourist. Say the full sentence before your next trip.
tôi muốn đổi tiền,
Landed in Vietnam and need cash fast? Most tourists point and hope for the best. Here's what to actually say. 3 sentences that cover every money exchange situation you'll actually hit. 1.
tôi muốn đổi tiền ở đây, được không?
This is your basic, can I exchange money here? Phrase. 2.
Bạn có thể chỉ tôi chỗ đổi tiền gần đây không?
Use this to find the nearest reputable exchange spot. Sentence 3 is the most useful one. Remember this. 3.
Tỷ giá hôm nay là bao nhiêu vậy?
This is the game changer. Ask the rate before you show your cash. Sentence 3 is what separates tourists from travelers. Asking the rate before you exchange stops you getting ripped off. Locals do it every time. Send this to whoever you're traveling to Vietnam with. Save it. You'll need it before you leave the airport.
Someone asks if you've eaten, you want to say not yet. Most learners go blank, but here's what to say.
Chưa,
Means not yet, and Vietnamese people use it everywhere. And Vietnamese people use it as a full answer on its own. One word does the job. Say,
chưa,
in conversation,
ăn chưa, chưa,
have you eaten? Not yet.
ăn chưa.
Is also how Vietnamese people say, how are you? So this answer works for more than you think. Someone asks,
Ăn chưa?
what do you say?
You know that feeling? Someone asks if you're ready and you're definitely not? Here's exactly how Vietnamese people say that. 3 honest real-life sentences. These come up every single day. 1.
Tôi chưa ăn gì từ sáng đến giờ, đói lắm rồi.
2.
Tôi chưa xong việc, bạn chờ tôi một chút nhé.
This last one, Vietnamese people say it all the time, not just in class. 3.
Tôi chưa hiểu lắm, bạn có thể nói lại được không?
Sentence 3 is one of the most important phrases you can learn because it lets you keep learning. Asking people to repeat themselves is what separates people who improve fast from people who stay stuck. Which sentence do you relate to most right now? Drop it in the comments. 1, 2, or 3.
You're late. Your friend is moving at half speed. This is what you say to get them moving. In Vietnam, life moves at lightning speed. To keep up, you need this one essential phrase.
Nhanh lên,
Simply means hurry up. It's direct, it's punchy, and it gets the job done. Let's practice. Say it with me.
nhanh lên,
But what if you want to sound a bit less like a drill sergeant? That's where
đi,
comes in. Say,
nhanh lên đi,
by adding
đi.
at the end, you turn a stern command into a desperate plea. It's like saying, come on. Same words, but a totally different social energy. You're late and your friend won't move. Type what you'd say in the comments.
Your bus is leaving in 2 minutes. Your friend doesn't speak English. You need one phrase right now. 3 ways to say hurry up. Each one hits harder than the last. 1.
Nhanh lên, chúng ta sắp trễ rồi.
Hurry up, we're about to be late. 2.
Làm nhanh lên đi, tôi đang vội lắm.
Come on, move faster. I'm seriously in a rush. Sentence 3. This is the one that actually moves people. 3.
Đi nhanh lên, không còn nhiều thời gian nữa đâu.
Let's go. There's almost no time left. Vietnamese people are warm but direct when time matters. Save this one. Emergencies don't wait for you to Google. Drop a 1 if you got all 3.
You need someone to bring you something. You don't know the word. This is the one.
Mang,
Means bring, and you'll need it in restaurants, at home, anywhere you're asking for something. Say,
mang,
in use.
mang cho tôi,
Bring it to me. At a restaurant,
mang cho tôi.
works better than pointing and hoping. One phrase, zero confusion. What would you ask someone to bring you? Start with
Mang cho tôi.
This one word unlocks dozens of sentences in Vietnamese, and most beginners never learn it properly. One word, dozens of uses. Here are 3 full sentences that show you exactly how
Mang,
works in real life. Watch how it changes each time. 1.
bạn có thể mang cái này giúp tôi được không?
2.
Nhớ mang theo điện thoại và ví khi ra ngoài nhé.
Notice how
Mang theo.
means bring with you. It has a slightly different, more specific feel. 3.
Để tôi mang đồ ăn đến cho bạn. Bạn không cần ra ngoài đâu.
Sentence 3 is something Vietnamese people say to each other all the time. It's caring, natural, and completely normal. It's natural and thoughtful. Locals won't think you're a tourist. They'll think you're thoughtful and truly appreciate the effort you've put in. Which sentence surprised you most? Comment 1, 2, or 3. I'm curious which one you'll actually use first. Let me know in the comments.